This tutorial will cover how to set up HIPAAsuite Eligibility Responder for use with the HIPAAsuite RealTime Server. First, I will set up the database connections and tables. Click on Database, then on Connection and Data fields. Here, I can select what type of database I will be using. In this case, I will choose SQL Server with Integrated Security. Enter the name of the database server and the name of the database. I will be using my response tables, so I'll place a check mark here, save the configuration details, and test them. Here, I can see I have successfully set up the database connection, however, I am missing some tables. I will create them now by clicking on the blue text here. This opens a window with tabs for each of the tables. Cycle through each of them, creating the tables one by one. If you have used a HIPAAsuite application before, you should already have the company setup table created. After creating all my tables, I test the connection again to check that the tables are verified. I will now move on to the fields. I'll be using all of the fields, so I'll select all of them. These tables will hold all my eligibility transactions, while these tables house the source data for my members and benefits. Now I'll test my configuration. And the setup checks OK. So I'll save them, and I have just configured my database. Now I'll check that my auto process is set up to export and initialize EDI exchange. Type my root directory path, save the settings, and click the initialize button. If you're missing any of the EDI exchange tables, go ahead and create them under EDI exchange, create EDI exchange tables. Since I already have those, and EDI exchange is initialized, I can go ahead and check on my trading partners. In order to verify my trading partner's username password token, I need to issue my trading partner a username and a password. This is where I will be storing them. I am now ready to respond to this particular trading partner. This concludes the tutorial.